After the US and Germany announced that they will send Abrams and Leopard 2 tanks to Ukraine, let's do an overview of tank supplies to Ukraine right now. So with all tanks that are confirmed, and those that are announced, we have about 180 tanks from Ukraine, mostly German Leopard 2. So based on US military, with the already supplied infantry fighting vehicles and those which will come, like US Bradleys, we are talking about 6 new complete armor brigades for the Ukrainian armed forces. And this brigade supplied with Western armor will have huge impact on the battlefield, and Russians know this. They are already talking publicly, so Russian military reporter Lvov warns about dismissing power of the Western tanks, saying that if supplied in hundreds, they might have the same effect on the front line as the appearance of HIMARS last year. Russian military reporter Kotz is calling for his comrades to take the threat of tank supplies seriously, also suggesting the latter could be operated by foreign crews. The US General Mark Hertling is tweeting, "For those saying don't doubt Ukraine's soldiers, they've proven themselves and can handle any tank they're given, I'd say 3 things. I've never doubted Ukrainian tankers to learn how to fire and drive the Abrams. I've worked with Ukraine's army, I know them. They're good. And while the Ukraine is being given Leopards, Russia is preparing its response. According to British intelligence, they are going to send T-14 Armata tanks to the front line." In 2015, when it was presented on the Victory Day on Red Square, it stalled during the rehearsal. Russian propaganda Skabeyeva deducts Nazi symbols out of the number of tanks promised to Ukraine. She is very educated on the matter, it seems.
Кроме того, в среднесрочной перспективе могут быть подготовлены к использованию и другие боевые немецкие машины из промышленных запасов. В том числе эти самые 88 штук «Леопард-1». Не забываем про 14 британских «Челленджеров», безумие или случайное указание на нацистское приветствие. 1488.
Solovyev is also angry. German tanks on Russian land, the reason to destroy Berlin.
Немецкий танк на русской земле.
Если есть праведники в городе, значит город не может быть уничтожен.
У вас нет
так сказал Господь.
Праведников.
Не вам
Вы,
это судить.
минутку, а вам что ли судить?
И не мне судить.
Правильно. Тогда пусть рассудит Искандер. И Сармат.
Если Искандер теперь Господь, тогда да.
Я скажу так. И огонь и сера не Господь?
Не знаю.
Но они пролились
Но я
на
не
землю.
готов. Вот
Finders keepers. Breaking Defense reports that when Ukraine captures important Russian military technology, like this Kreshka 4 electronic warfare complex, it's handed over to Western intelligence agencies for evaluation and rapid countermeasures design. And this is the legendary after-movie of Makeyevka strike which killed 600 Russian soldiers. Imagine that strike.
Один из них был прямо над нашей головой. Мы приехали на место событий, чтобы почтить память наших ребят, возложить венок от жителей Самарской области. Очень тяжело здесь находиться. Здесь организован вот такой небольшой мемориал. Как это назвать? Разложили веночек от жителей Самарской области. Ужасное зрелище, ужасное состояние. Смотреть вообще на это все. Мне бедно шумно. Очень шумно.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.